Orí mi o, ẹ̀dá mi o, orí mi ro ní kóre láyé mú wá. Orí mi o, ẹ̀dá mi o, orí mi ro ní kóre láyé mú wá.
Hi guys, I'm Oṣóolé and this is Ori class. The Yoruba believe that every human being has a soul which is given to him or her before he or she becomes a living being. To understand the human nature, we need to examine the constituent parts of a human being, because the Yoruba have a conception of certain constituent parts which they believe make up a human being. The first of these is Ara. Ara is the physical, scientific human body, which consists of other surface parts like the head, neck, trunk, limbs, and the genitals. This is the physical body which man shares with the lower creatures. The Ara serves like a house or closet to other biological human parts that are not visible to the naked eyes, except when the Ara is cut open, as in case of a surgical operation. Human beings feel, react, and express to one another and the environment through Ara. The Ara is kept in good health through good hygienic environment and balanced diet. And when it breaks down in death, it is the Ara that is buried and decays. If we expand our thinking to such a great distance as we can imagine the infinite, we try to understand who we are. Perhaps even then we can never understand what we are not. Mankind did not come from one couple to populate the planet Earth, simply because the body is created by Obatala. Only a deity can create something divine. We are spiritual beings having a physical experience. And so it is done with every human being. Ara is the body of man, molded from clay. Ama, removed from Orun by a deity whose name is Obatala. We are what we are because we belong to a family in Orun. Egbe Orun and Aye, the double consciousness that comes in factors and concepts that value our earthly life. Ènìyàn is the physical form of man that was molded of clay, Ama, and of primordial waters, Omi, by Obatala. It is the concrete element of flesh and bone, which will return to its stages after physical death. However, before birth, we are Ara Orun, citizens of heaven, and we must choose in Orun our Odu, destiny. For us, humans, there was never a beginning, since our origin comes from the sacred. In Yoruba, Ori literally translates to mean head. However, the spiritual significance of the word is far deeper. Ori is human consciousness. It is our direct connection to Olódùmarè, the supreme force. Conceptually, Ori is closely related to destiny or fate. Each and every person who is born on earth, Aye, went through the process of choosing their Ori and their destiny before journeying from heaven to earth, ọ̀run to ayé. Each human being has the personal task of selecting their own ori, their own particular human consciousness. Ọbàtálá is the Orisha responsible for molding the human heads, and thus human consciousness. He molds them by hand from clay. Not all Ori are created equally. Some of the Ori turn out to be more perfect than others, as Ọbàtálá makes each one by hand. One who chooses a good Ori and destiny will have an easy time obtaining the good things in life. They will find it easier than not to have a peaceful home, a job they truly enjoy, a good relationship with their spouse, and good children, along with wealth and health needed to enjoy it all. Good things will always come easy to them. On the other hand, one who chooses an imperfect Ori will experience many hardships in life. They will find that the good things in life are hard to achieve and that tough times are common. It will take great change to better things for them. Potentially, they can change through the implementation of ritual and sacrifice, vehicles for change and transformation, to repair their Ori and their realigning of their destinies, thereby turning their lives around for the better.